In this video, I will show you how you can fix the stuck-on black screen problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. If you're trying to power on your Samsung phone but if it is not turning on, now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab the charger of your Samsung phone and check if it is damaged or not. If the charger of your Samsung phone is damaged or if it is not working, just replace your charger. Also, make sure you use Samsung's original charger with your smartphone. If you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this can damage your smartphone. Now, after you've made sure that your charger is working, then just plug in your Samsung phone into charge. And just leave your smartphone plugged into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, then just unplug your Samsung phone, then just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now, for example, if you're pressing and holding both of these buttons, and if the Samsung logo did not appear on the screen, so try to press and hold the power button with the volume down button. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now after you do that, your Samsung phone will power on. Now if you have done that, but if your Samsung phone did not turn on, so in that case, just plug in your Samsung phone into charge and leave your Samsung phone plugged into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, just repeat the button pressing process, but do not remove the charging cable. So in that case, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And if you have been pressing and holding both of these buttons for 10 to 15 seconds, and if you did not see the Samsung logo on the screen, then just press and hold the power button and the volume down button instead of the volume up button. As we have done earlier, just press and hold both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.